How we doing, guys? Shit, it has been a long time since I posted a video. But yeah, car's been going like crap and there's literally no point in me filming. God, I'm fucking white, aren't I? There's no point in me filming what I was doing to it, as literally so much went wrong. As you can see, air filters there, oils are there, toolbox is literally full. Oh, sneak peek there. But yeah, this is just a quick video basically saying that I will be getting back into it because I need the motivation now. I know I want to do this for a living, and yeah, it's hard to say I want to do this for a living, but I feel like I can do this. Again, he says. Watch 2 months later, probably won't be a video, but oh well. Because here's a little sneak peek for a video coming in the next couple of months. Oh damn! Damn, is that Luke Carnes? Is that a Corbel seat? Yep, that's it. That's what you're getting. That's a little sneak peek. And at some point, maybe putting this back in. This was my old USB. There. This was my old head unit, which for some reason I feel is a lot better than my other one, because the other one sort of cuts out at different volumes and it's pissing me off recently. But yeah, that video, oh shit, sorry, not getting into this new camera, guys. It's kind of weird. I don't like how it sits in my hand. It's a bit too heavy. But yeah, that coming soon. Maybe a steering wheel. I don't know yet. I put my steering wheel in last time and that seemed to fuck my car up. I don't know why, but the Audi just seemed a bit too techy to, you know, take the steering wheel. But we'll try it. Who's going to say, you know, why not, basically. So yeah, that is the plan, basically. I will be getting back into this. There may be a new car coming end of this year, and if I get what I want to get, if it's still around and the prices haven't gone up for like that sort of car, then I will be getting that car, because I'm definitely looking in the Japanese market. I don't really fancy another German car, because my Golf, yeah, views banged on that first video I did, but other than that, it was shit. It died after my first video on it. But yeah, next video we will be installing a subwoofer. I've literally just ordered the wiring kit. I'm just now waiting for it to come in. There will be a tutorial on that, and that will be universal. So if you have, I have an Audi A3. Say if you have a, I don't know, you have a Corvette. I doubt it. If you have a Honda, it's the same principle pretty much. You know, it's a universal video, just how to wire in a subwoofer. But yeah, that's it. Don't bother liking this, don't bother commenting, but if you are new, subscribe around here, because there will be content coming, and I will be using this new camera, which is a lot better than my other camera. Ignore my spot. Cut myself shaving today. But yeah, this is going to be the start of a new journey, I have a feeling, guys. Non-edited vlog, because again, my laptop is shit. I couldn't edit my last vlog, which really pissed me off. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.